Hello internet friends and 3D printing enthusiasts. Today I'm here to make a quick video to show you how to dispose of your used and empty 3D printing resin bottles in a more environmentally conscious and less of a jerky way than just throwing them in your neighbor's trash at 1 a.m. on the night before trash day, like I know a lot of you probably do. Which is not the best. It's pretty easy. First thing you're gonna do when you're handling this stuff, always get yourself a pair of nitrile gloves and put them on. Nitrile gloves are pretty cheap and they block the resin from getting in your skin better than latex do. And also, right now, nitrile gloves, even with the inflation and the economy being not so good, they're about half the price for a box of 100 or 200 than they were on Amazon during the pandemic a couple of years ago. So you have no excuse not to get some and not to wear some to keep your hands from breaking out in a rash or burning or rubbing your eyes after touching this crap and blinding yourself or whatever, or all the other awful things. Other thing you want to pick up is one of these little UV torch flashlights. I got 2 of these in a 2-pack on Amazon for like $7 or $8 today. I had another one that I've used, but it's gotten kind of gooped up and dropped a bunch of times. So I spoiled myself and I got one, and one for a friend I can give away someday if I ever make a friend. That'd be exciting. That also 3D prints. So not a lot of people out there do that. But basically what this stuff is this UV light flashlight will cure resin. So you can use it to cure the outside of bottles or spills on your table and stuff on your workbench. But more importantly, you can use it to cure the inside of your resin bottles when you're done with them and they're empty, especially if they've been sitting on your shelf. If you've ever noticed to look inside with a flashlight, the resin will kind of seep down and pool in the bottom, right? So you could put this out in the sun to try and cure it, but then the sun's got to be at a perfect angle, like right at noon, from like 11:55 to 12:05, I guess. But if you live somewhere where it's not sunny or it's winter or whatever, maybe that's unhelpful. The thing that I found that you can do is get some of this blue poster tack. If you print miniatures or D&D figures or ever painted them, you probably have this laying around. It's a poster tack that you use to stick the miniatures on the top of like a medicine bottle to what do you do? To paint them and whatnot. Or you can use it to put posters on the wall. So if you ever had a poster, you're probably familiar. Anyway, you can get like a 4-pack of little strips of this for like $2 or less on Amazon or at Walmart. And you're just gonna roll it in your hands and make it into like a little piece like this. Then you're gonna put it on the outside of the bottle. What I like to do is before I start doing this, I will cure the top of the bottle for a good like 30 seconds to a minute just to get the lip so it's not all gross and juicy with fresh resin. It's harder resin, so it doesn't yuck up my piece. Make a little ring, a little donut here, and then get your little torchlight, put it right on top, turn your torchlight on, and then leave it for about 5 minutes, maybe 10 if you're paranoid. 5 minutes will cure this stuff in there pretty well, so walk away for 5 minutes, come back, take your torchlight off. You can cure the outside of the edge of the bottle if you want, about a minute or whatever, or just put it out in direct sunlight. Direct sunlight's probably better. And then when you're done, close it up, and your bottle is good to be thrown away. I know you're saying, well, it's probably, the resin's cured. It's resin, even in a cured state, probably isn't the best thing in the world for the environment, but it's a lot better than just hiding this crap in trash and throwing it away like some scumbag. In this torchlight I mentioned before, they are awesome. You can use them to clean up spills around your thing or to cure your gloves and your napkins and all the stuff you use before you throw it in the trash can. Or if you feel like there's something in your trash can that isn't completely cured, you can always put it in there, zap it for a minute, just so you have a little bit of peace of mind and know that you're not like ruining the environment. I'll put links for the gloves and this flashlight, some blue tack and whatever else, and even this resin in the links for this video. Thank you very much. And if you liked it, like it, subscribe, or hold your thumbs up to the screen and give it a hearty thumbs up. I don't really give a shit. Do your best, guys.